Welcome back, Video Directions Module 7, Microsoft Word Desktop Publishing number 2. Again, you guys are flying relatively solo on this one, have the skills necessary to do most of this. I have a couple of things to show you. Fire up a fresh Word document. One thing I do want to point out to you to help you keep things symmetrical. If you go to View in the ribbon, and the list of tools pop up, I would select grid lines. That'll help you keep things balanced on the page. Next thing, one thing we have not done when it comes to text box, which you will need at the top of the page, is how to fill it. So we're going to put in a text box here, just like that. We have some formatting tools. We're going to use the paint fill, and we're going to select, I believe it's the first red, glorious. We also need to turn off the lines to do that. If I'm not mistaken, that's font. So if we click out of this, it does look like we still have a line. So let's go to, once you got it backfilled with red, right-click inside of the, click out of that. There we go. Right-click on the border of the text box. Go on down to Format Shape. This window will pop up. We want to select the line, and we want to make sure we have no lines selected. That way, we don't see a black border on this document. Next, I can tell you right now, the text for this text box is Times New Roman. So again, I would use the styles pane to keep your font similar. I would use title for the top of this poster. All right, I would do title for wanted. You're going to need to put in another text box right here to do, let's just walk you through this part, insert text box. You're going to need to do another text box right here for the wanted by the FBI. And then again, you'll set this to red, but you're going to have one size font here, another size font here. Again, use one of these styles panes options to do it. The rest of this text looks to be, let's go back to it. The rest of this text looks to be Calibri. Obviously, the fonts are different sizes, different colors. Again, we're going to use the styles pane so we can set up a repetitive, repeatable font format. Again, you can make any one of these do what you want. Just remember which one you used. Two more things to do here. You're going to see that this document in Schoology is not white. So what we're going to do is go out to design. Once you're all done, do this as the last step. Because when you change the color of the pages, you're going to lose your grid. But go up to design in the ribbon, slide over to page color. I don't know if this one will be the exact one. We got to make this text box go all the way across the top. But anyway, yeah, let's just do it then so we're not playing around with different colors the entire time. You can use this first pre-formatted color, the gold accent for lighter 80%. It's 3 in from the right, and it's the second row from the top to do the color. Finally, the last thing, you're going to have to get online and do a Google search for the FBI seal. You'll download a copy of that image onto your computer, and then you'll insert it down here at the bottom. You need one on both sides, obviously, but then you can format it to make sure it fits and looks like the document. So with that, I think we're all set. When you need to fill in the text box, again, draw a text box, get it to go across the page. Double click the borders, and then you can change the fill, you can change the line, get it to work the way you want. All right, when you're done with that, obviously make sure you save and then send me an email turning that in. If you have any questions while you're working, let me know. I'll be around to help. With that, go Spartans.